Let's take a look here. This is a nasty little problem right here. We'll start this one, but before we do, I want to talk about how to solve for exponentials again. How to solve for exponential functions. So let's see here. Let's say we have something like 13 plus 5 e to the 4x equal to 17, and I want to solve this. Well, of course, we would isolate the e to the x, and we would get 5 e to the 4x equal to 4. And then divide by, of course, by 5, excuse me. E to the 4x equals 4 over 5. And now this is the new part. This is the part from pre-cal and algebra 2. To undo exponentials, we have to log both sides. So we would get the natural log of e to the 4x equals the natural log of 4/5. And then those cancel out. And what we're left with is 4x equals the natural log of 4 over 5. And I can divide, of course, by 4. This becomes 1/4 the natural log of 4/5. Leave it alone. So practice those. Alright, so let's see here. This is a nasty little problem. Take a look at what we need. We need the second derivative and we need the first derivative. So let's go ahead and find our derivatives. Y prime, e to the x. This is a nasty product rule. I take the first, multiply it by the derivative of the second. But my second is this thing, which is chain rules. So we get the derivative of 3 cosine 2x, which becomes negative 3 sine 2x times 2, minus the derivative of 4 sine of x becomes 4 cosine 2x times 2, plus the second, 3 cosine 2x minus 4 sine 2x times e to the x. So there's our first derivative. You're like, man, that's not so bad. I can do that. All right, I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Trust me, you want to. So we get y prime equals. I can factor out an e to the x. That's common. I get e to the x times, and this becomes negative 6 sine 2x minus 8 cosine 2x plus 3 cosine 2x minus 4 sine 2x. And I can even clean this up a little bit more and get y prime equals e to the x times, how many cosines? Negative 6 minus 4, so we get negative 10 sine 2x minus 4 plus minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 cosine 2x. All right, so there's our first derivative. Hope I didn't make a mistake there. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments if I did. Now we find the second derivative. This is why we clean it up, because we have another nasty little product rule right here. So the first, e to the x times the derivative of the second, which becomes negative 10 cosine 2x times 2, don't forget my chain rule, plus 5, this becomes sine 2x times 2, don't forget the chain rule, plus the second, negative 10 sine 2x minus 5 cosine 2x times the derivative of the first, e to the x. That's a nasty little bugger right there. So again, I can clean this up because I can factor out an e to the x. And this is going to give me negative 20 cosine 2x plus 10 sine 2x minus 10 sine 2x minus 5 cosine 2x. Simplify, combine your like terms. I get, what's that? Negative 25 cosine 2x. Looks like those cancel out, which is nice. And there's our second derivative. I hope I did that right. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. A way to find out if you did it right, plug these two into here and see if you get that. Or plug these two, into here and see if you get 0. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.